Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Tuesday, November the 28th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your room. Any questions for me, use this email address, and this is a link to get into the room. Here's a subscription link, and the Cyber, all in capital letters, CYBER 2017 appears to still be live. By the time you get this email, I can't 100% say for sure it'll still be working. But if it is, take advantage of the 22% off. I open the room at 9 o'clock every morning, and that's when I start to share my screen. It's a free room. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be part of the room. And I get live on the mic at about 9:05, and I go to about 3:30 every day. All right, not a super active day for me today. Let's take a close look at this one, APEN. APEN is one that I did get into. Big after hours pop yesterday, and on news that I think their device, their suturing device, was approved. Excuse me, approved by the FDA. Let me just get the symbol linking so I can check to see what the float is on that one. Sorry, not APEN. So the float, I believe, is 2.8 million in the float. So, you know, a lot of, I felt this one could have a lot of run in it, but it really didn't. It held its own in the pre-market. There's the tan area, held its own, and, you know, whipped up and down. A lot of topping tails, some bottoming tails. Really uncertainty. And I ended up taking this trade over the whole number right about here at 617. Thinking that it would really accelerate with that low float. And I ended up taking some out at 630, right about here, and then it went right back down. I basically got out flat. So, you know, kind of a disappointment. Really didn't do too much, you know, once the market opened. Well, it did a lot, but not in any specific trend. So very difficult to trade these, in my opinion. Okay, let's see. Cube wasn't too bad. This came from, you know, I've got this momentum down, which is basically just the reverse of, you know, you get it, the momentum up. And so I started watching this one, and Cube came into play just underneath the whole number. Excuse me, at 29. I think I had the alert at 29. And I waited a long time on this one. It's sort of, in fact, I got in at the beginning, and I basically got out flat, and then I reshorted it right here at 28.49, 28.48, I think. Reshorted it again, and it did move down, not too bad. And I basically covered most of it at 28. Why don't I have it written down here? I know I covered some right here around 28, and then on the way up. So I mean, it wasn't fantastic, but you know, not a especially once it started to really fall, it turned out to be a pretty nice trade. Momo was one that a lot of us were trying to short. You know, and it still might work, but to me, it's just too erratic. I think I got in this one a couple of times and escaped the first time and didn't quite the second. I think I took a 15-cent loss on it the second time. Anyway, not a tremendously exciting day for me. I didn't really do any of the low floaters. I missed a couple at the very beginning of the day, and that was it. So quick video, guys. Sorry, not that exciting. As I say, there were definitely some great low floater situations, but I just kind of missed them. And I'm just looking at Riot right now. I was saying that the blockchains are starting to fade a little bit, but boy, there's some nice little pop now for Riot. And what else is moving? Let's see if the XNet is moving also. You know, these things are maybe just taking a little bit of a breather. You know, these are all the high flyers, so it's really Riot right now that is really a nice pop, pretty good volume on it. So I'll probably get back into the room and see what's shaking on that one. So anyway, that's it. Nice quick one. Say not too exciting for me. And let me bring up the capture program. So again, this is a free room, so come on in. Again, that cyber code CYBER, all in caps, 2017. It could be good until 11:59 Eastern time tonight. And then I'm almost 100% sure it will not be available tomorrow. So if you do want it though, tradeideas.com, there's the link you can use to subscribe. I'll open the room tomorrow at about 9 o'clock Eastern time. Start to share my screen then. Get live on the mic at 9:05. So everybody have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.